doggy.
Turning.
Think what feels too good to you right there, Todd.
Alright. Follow him out.
Hey, dude, that's a pretty good picture with all the shoots in the line.
Start turning.
Everybody smile and say cheese.
Queso. Everybody say lockers before light.
I sent Steve my Mr. Miyagi picture.
God, my Jeep is sexy.
It is pretty.
Oh wait, that's my wife, sorry.
Oh, that was nice.
Alright, you're going to climb with your right first. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, start turning driver hard. Right there. Go ahead, climb. Beautiful. Nice. You're going to climb with your driver first. And then your right's coming right now. Back up. Turn driver. Hold on 1 second. You got a bungee cord hanging from your front.
I'd expect that from a Bronco, but not a Jeep.
That was holding up her sway bar connector.
Key word was.
You need a spot up there?
Nah, I'm good. I was just trying to find the trail. It's kind of blind. Yeah, if you can stay in my tires, that's the line for sure. Nice and smooth, almost like a trip to Walmart.
Alright, you're going to start climbing on your front driver. Passenger's going to follow right now. Do that again, come towards me. Okay, right there. Do that again. Beautiful.
Oh, I didn't see where you went down out here.
I'm coming up behind y'all.
You're gonna go down this one like an S. I'm just gonna pull right here and then I'll spot everybody down. passenger. You're in the groove, follow it. Driver. Straight. Get on this big rock. Yep, right there. Money. Passenger climb. Yep. Come driver. Driver just fuzzy red. Alright, looking good. Alright.
Keep coming, follow that line. Follow that, come on down. Slow. Start turning the driver. Right there, stop. You're going to drop in the front passenger. Come on down. I want you to climb those 2 rocks right there in front of you. Slowly. You're about to climb right now. Hell yeah, the gladiator hit. So, stay driver. Okay, stay driver. Start turning passenger now. Passenger hard. Okay, come on. Come on down. Okay, straighten out. Right there. Come on down. You're going to drop on your passenger. Slow. Okay. You're going to slide. Okay. Start. Slowly.
Stand by. We've worked on an ant mountain. We're south.
Start turning driver. Okay, slowly come down. Okay, stay driver. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, stay straight. Money, straight. Alright, a little bit driver. Alright, stay on that line. Straighten up. A little bit driver. Coming to a rock. Alright, straight. And come on out. Good work. Alright, next.
Come on down. Stay driver. Go a little driver. You're going to drop a little bit on your passenger. Keep going. Okay. Keep going. Alright, start turning passenger. Right there. Keep coming. You're going to drop on your rear. Stay a little driver. Right there. I want you to ride over those 2 rocks that you see in front of you. Alright, coming down slow. Okay.
Easy. Alright, stay on the brake. Nice and easy. Come straight down. You got this. Little bit driver. Alright, stay on that line. Yep. Stay driver. Keep coming. Alright, straighten out. Right there. Little bit driver. Climb. Yo, look, easy. Alright, faster. Alright. Come on, straight up.
Might scrape a bit. Good job.
We need to get you a pedal commander.
Go driver. 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 Okay, slow, come down. Okay, slow, you're going to drop on your driver's side. Come on down. You're going to drop on your back right, your passenger right. Slow, start turning, driver. Driver, driver, okay. You're going to come down. Beautiful, stay that line. Keep coming towards me, go a little driver, okay. You're going to drop a tiny bit. Okay, start turning passenger, right there. You got 2 rocks in front of you, I want you to ride over them. You're about 5 feet from them, keep going, keep going, keep going. Slow, alright, stop right there, you're going to start climbing right now. Stay driver as you climb. Keep going, start turning a little more driver, there you go, slow, you're going to come down. Okay, you're going to come up on the other side. Keep going, you're good. A little bit more. Okay, you're up. Stay driver, 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 driver. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, keep going. Now start turning passenger. Right there. Go ahead. You got a rock in front of you. There you go, climb that rock and get out. Slowly come down. Beautiful, you're going to hit that rock again. You're over it.